Good day, everyone. My name is Anthony Edmond John from App Gamers, and today I want to show you and put you through on how to have your own customizable font bank, or have your own customizable fonts on the photo editing arm Phonto. I'm going to show you a little bit on how to also use Phonto to edit your photos, to edit graphics, to do nice graphic designs. Yes. So the part one of this video would basically dwell on how to have your own customized, crazy, nice, and awesome fonts for you to use on Phonto. Yes, Phonto, which is let's quickly go into. But before then, kindly like, share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, App Gamers, yes, for more awesome content. And also don't forget to hit the notification, the bell icon for notifications, and for you to get up to date on our awesome content on App Gamers. So now let's without wasting time, let's get to business. So this is a photo editing app called Phonto, and at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a link in the. I'm going to drop a link in the video for you to get the premium Phonto app for Android. Phonto is an Android app for photo editing. Phonto is an Android app for graphics designs. Yes, because it gives you where you can just quickly do some quick graphic designs, and it comes out right. So I'm going to drop, at the end of this video, I'll drop a link for you to download the premium. It's already paid for, already handled all of that. The premium Phonto APK, the premium Phonto Android app for you to use. And also, more importantly, we're going to drop the link for you to get. We already have a font bank. I've already gotten a font bank of over 100 plus fonts for you to use, to customize, to get the best from your graphics designs on Phonto. So I'm going to drop the link at the end of this video for you to download the font bank. And I implore you, for your own good, to watch this video to the very end. Watch this video to the very end, because every step of the way you're going to learn something new, you're going to pick up something brilliant, and it's all for your own good. So now we have our Phonto app open right here, and the good thing about Phonto is that it comes in a grid. It comes with default. You have the grid patterns, so which makes it, your designs come out more accurate. That's more of the reasons why I use Phonto, and because Phonto is one of those Android apps. Is what people don't know is that for you to use, you can do professional graphics design on your Android phone, and Phonto is one of those apps that give you the freedom to have your own font bank, because the beauty of every graphic design is when it comes to fonting, the texture, the design of the text design, you understand. And Phonto comes in handy to give you a whole lot of an array of fonts to use, your own fonts to use. So in this video, the benefit of actually watching this video is also you won't need to go start downloading or researching for fonts or trying to download. No, we've saved you all of that trouble. At the end of this video, a link will be placed for you to get your own fonts bank, where we've downloaded a whole cache of fonts, futuristic fonts, classy, trendy fonts for you to use in your graphics design to give your text, to put life and give your text that beauty and class. You understand? So this is Phonto, and let's just do a little walkthrough. To use Phonto, actually, this Phonto, and it comes with this grid design, and let's try something. Let me try. When you load on the right hand side, that's it. You're going to see it's going to give you 3 options. When you click the right hand side, it's going to give you 3 options on how you want to load your project or your image. Do you want to load, when you want to load new image, you want to load from images, which is if you want to pick from your phone gallery, or you want plain images where you just want the background, color backgrounds, maybe white, maybe black, maybe green, for you to work with. Or you already had some projects which you were working on, and you want to go back to those projects and pick from the designs and maybe edit those projects. And this is another good thing about Phonto also, because Phonto gives you the freedom, it gives you the ability to save your projects, to save your works. You've been working, not like you close the app and everything goes. While you're working, you save. While you're working, you save, you click to save, and while you save, it's there for you to come back to next time. So it's a whole world of possibilities. So now let's pick from the options one by one. So let's go with the images first. So now if I click image, it's going to take me to my phone gallery, where I could pick images to work on. Yes, maybe to graphics design. So let me pick this. Okay, now I want to do a little design here. I want to add some text. I want to add some text design here. So maybe I want to watermark this. So I want to do a write-up here. So there is the pen or the pencil. There's a pencil sign up there, which I'm going to click on. And what caption can I give to this graphics? Okay, let's do when you think. Let's do when you think outside the box. Okay, so let me use that. Okay, now we've gotten our text. Now another thing is align. Okay, we've gotten our text. So now let's tap into the text, our text fonts, because our basic priority in this video is the fonting. Yes, what to do with fonting. So we're going to tap this. I've just tapped fonts right there in the, and you're going to see I have an array of, you see there up there, you're going to see my fonts. These are my own fonts, which I, after getting my premium Phonto app, these are my own customized fonts, the fonts I want to work with, the fonts I feel are beautiful enough, which I think are the best for my designs, and these are the fonts I use. And you're going to see these are all my fonts, but on Phonto, if I should click fonts, these are the fonts that come with Phonto. They are beautiful, yes, but I want to go a step further. I want my text designs to come out even more beautiful. These are the font designs for Phonto. Yeah, these are the font designs for Phonto. Yeah, there are plenty, but because I design graphics professionally, I said this might not be stuff I might need some more fonts to work with. Yeah, these are the array of fonts in Phonto, but I had gone a way ahead to get my own fonts. Yes, these are my own fonts. So now if I click here, it's going to take us to the web. No need. I'm going to come back to that later. Yeah. So let's let me just take you directly to. So okay, for the fonts, if I pick Yahoo, it changes. I pick this watchword, it changes. I pick Vocal, it changes. So how do we get our own? How do you get your own font bank? Yes, in this video I made it easy. I'm going to drop the link. But once you get my font bank, how do you install it to work with Phonto on your Android phone? Yes, so that is what this video is all about. How do you get the font, your own font, even after downloading? How do you get it to work? How do you incorporate it to your Phonto app? So I've already gotten my font bank, so I'm going to minimize this and I'm going to open my file manager on my Android phone. I'm going to open my file manager. This is my file manager on my Android phone, and I'm going to take you to my storage system. I have storage. That's the internal storage and the SD card, and we'll be making use of my SD card. That's where my fonts are stored. So I have my fonts bank here already, which I'm going to give to you. These are the more classy. I'm going to give this out because these are the more very, very classy fonts. You can also go download, get your own, but most of what you will get are all in here. This for any text design which you want to do. These fonts, this array of fonts should take care of your text needs. They are crazy. They are one of the best fonts out there. So we already have our fonts here, and the fonts usually come in either .ttf or they come in .rtf. It's either .ttf or .rtf, but basically what we have here more. The .tt, we also have some .otf, we have .ttf, some .rtf. And those are the file name extension for fonts, for the fonts. It's a global file extension for fonts. So my font, if you check carefully, my font folder is already there. I've already downloaded it, so it's already there. So I'm just going to copy this. And now I'm going to show you what to do. When after copying that, your Phonto, everything that works with your Phonto, the Phonto engine is actually embedded in your internal storage. Phonto is powered, the internal storage powers your Phonto app. So I'm going to come here, internal storage, and what I have to do next is look for the Phonto folder. You're going to see fonts there. You see projects, you see fonts, you see temp. Now, if I open this, my fonts are already there. The fonts, what you saw there, my font, these are my fonts. They are the fonts, Phonto fonts. Yes, these are the Phonto fonts. Yes, so all you need to do is paste it here. Although this already what I have is already what I have. So what you do is paste, or is to paste the content, or better still, let's still go back. Let me show you a more direct approach. Let me go back to my SD card. So once you download, because what you're going to download, the file you're going to download is going to be fonts just like this, the way it is in the internal storage. So you open this fonts, you copy all of this, you copy all of this, you copy all the fonts. Now selected all, and you copy that, and you come to your internal storage, and you come to Phonto. You open the font which might be empty. You open which on your own phone, if you haven't added your own custom fonts, you open fonts and you paste all the fonts that you selected from the internal storage, from the ones you downloaded. You paste it in here. You paste it in the font folder on Phonto. You just paste it in here, and it's going to appear here in my fonts on Phonto. You're going to see all you copied and pasted going to appear in my fonts on Phonto. It's as easy as that. It's as easy as that. So just giving you an insight on how to have better graphics design on Phonto with more classy fonts to work with. Yes, thank you for watching this video. Kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a good day and bye.